determinant. Right. Now how to evaluate this one? Here we may write like this. B square minus A square and B cube minus A cube. We may split as two parts. Here also C square minus A square, C cube minus A cube. Here also we can split. So now we can take some common part. In this one, B minus A common from the first row, C minus A common from the second row. There I can get it as, because B minus A is taken, here B plus A will remain. So, because B minus A is taken as a common, you are getting B plus A here. But because B cube minus A cube is there, here B cube minus A cube, we have taken the common as B minus A. When you take the common as B minus A, it will give us as a like this, B square plus AB plus A square. Everybody will know this one now. Product factorization of x cube minus y cube. Based on that, I am getting here B square plus AB plus A square. Now, here also C plus A. This will become C square plus AC plus A square. Right. You got these parts. B minus A, C minus A, B plus A, B square plus AB plus A square, C plus A, C square plus AC plus A square. Right. Again I have to solve this part. So while solving this, I have to take the common from these parts. So B minus A, you got the common, C minus A. So this will be the part what we have now. Now in this, from this part, we may write like this. Here B minus A into C minus A, you got it now. These parts, we have to expand this one. B minus A, C minus A. Here what I am going to do here, AD minus BC. AD minus BC. That I am writing like this. Here B plus C into C square plus AC plus A square minus A plus C into, here A plus C into A square plus AB plus B square you got. So this product you have to apply. So by using this part, we may get like this. B minus A, C minus A, these parts are there. From this B minus A into C minus A into, after entire multiplication of this part, you got like this ma, B minus C into AB plus BC plus CA. Once again repeating, after entire simplifications of this part, we are getting like this, B minus C into AB BC plus CA. So this is the part. Here this one is the B plus C, C square plus AC plus A square. By expanding and by multiplying these all parts, here you got the minus of B minus C into AB plus BC plus CA. So by multiplying this one, again you got like this, A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into AB plus BC plus CA. That's it. I think what you want to prove, you proved that. So this is the case of our part of the A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, AB plus BC plus CA. So this is the way to solve a problem of the determinants part. Okay. Now these are the 4 problems what we covered. There is another example we do. So based on these 2 only. Actually we considered this only, almost all repeatedly so many times. This type of questions only we are getting from the determinants. We are not getting any other determinants. Determinants are occurred by using only this one. One more we can consider here. So that one is an example here. We have to take the one determinant property. That one is like this. If A, B, C are real, I am going to give you one more question. Here another question I am going to give that question is, note down the question properly. If A comma B comma C or if A comma B comma C are all are different I think you understand what is the meaning of that. Different means they never be equal. The meaning is that I think you can understand. A, B, C are different means A minus B, B minus C, C minus A never be 0. So that is the case of the what they provided to you. Right. If A, B, C are different and the determinant, you are given the determinant as like this, and the determinant is given as 1 plus A cube, 1 plus B cube, 1 plus C cube, and again A square, B square, C square, and again A, B, C, they given that A, B, C, 1 plus A cube, 1 plus B cube, 1 plus C cube, A square, B square, C square, A, B, C is equal to 0, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Then find the value of, ABC. Find the value of ABC. The same question they may question sometimes. What is the value of ABC? This is the question here. But sometimes prove ABC value is 1 or prove ABC as a minus 1. So depends upon the question, depends upon the answer, they may write. But now we have to find out value of ABC. So how to find out this? So to finding this, we may apply the same formulas and same properties. Now I am going to solve this. Here you are given that one determinant is equal to 0. So first, in a determinants, one property is there. In a row, every element can be written as the sum of the two elements. That can be, the determinant can be written as sum of the two same ordered determinants. Once again repeating the property. In a determinant, either a row or column can be written as sum of the two elements. Then the determinant can be written as the sum of the two same ordered determinants. Now I am going to applying that property. Now I am going to apply the same property here. So this is the property first. You see here, by observing the first column, 1 plus A cube, 1 plus B cube, 1 plus C cube. So every term of the first column is written as two parts. One is there, A cube is there. One is there, B cube is there. One is there, C cube is there. Right. So this I am applying like this, ma'am. This application I am doing like this. Here writing as same determinants. Same determinants. That means see here. This first elements 1, 1, 1. I think I am not writing the second elements. But remaining columns are as it is. A square, B square, C square. Here A, B, C. This is the part. Once again repeating. 1 A square A, 1 B square B, 1 C square C. Here what I done, this first column I taken the first 1 1 1 as it is. Again plus rest of the parts here A cube A square A, B cube B square B, C cube C square C. I think now you understand. First elements are taken in the first column of this determinant. Second elements are taken in the first column of the second determinant. First elements are written here. Second elements are written here. Right. This is given as already equivalent to 0. Right. Is there any modifications we may done or any changes we can do? So that we will try to do this here. See, first determinant I don't want to change. Why? Because I can't take any common. But here 1 A square A, 1 B square B, 1 C square C I got here. But from the second determinant, see here, in the second determinant the first row has A common. In the second determinant, second row has B common. In the third row has C common. Once again repeating, Just listen here. In the second determinant, first row can taken as A common, second row can taken as B common, third row can taken as C common. So if I took the common A, B, C, here I am getting A square, A 1. Here also B square, B 1, C square, C 1. So this is the property what we have now. So okay, ABC